Stop scrolling. Missing just one of these travel mistakes could completely ruin your trip. You could lose your money, get scammed, or even put yourself in danger. Most travelers make at least one of these mistakes, and number one is something people ignore, but it could literally save your life. Let's count them down so you can travel smart and stress-free. 10. Never exchange money at the airport. Those airport currency exchange booths, they're a total ripoff. The rates are terrible, and you'll end up losing money before your trip even starts. Instead, use an ATM or a trusted exchange in the city to get a much better deal. 9. Never assume everyone speaks English. Imagine you're lost, asking for help, and no one understands you. Don't assume English is enough everywhere. Learn basic phrases in the local language. It shows respect and can save you in tricky situations. 8. Never ignore local laws and customs. Did you know wearing camouflage is illegal in some Caribbean countries? Or that you can get fined just for chewing gum in Singapore? What's normal at home might be illegal abroad. Do your research before you go. 7. Never rely on just one payment method. Your card gets declined. You have no cash. Now what? Always carry a mix of cash, a credit card, and a backup option like Apple Pay or a second bank card. And don't forget to notify your bank before traveling, so they don't block your card thinking it's fraud. 6. Never be too trusting with strangers. Scammers and pickpockets love distracted tourists. Be friendly, but stay cautious. Never share too much personal info, and if a deal sounds too good to be true, it probably is. 5. Never drink tap water without checking. One sip of unsafe water, and you're stuck in the bathroom for days. Not all tap water is safe. Always check, and when in doubt, stick to bottled or filtered water. 4. Never keep all your valuables in one place. Your passport, wallet, and phone all in the same bag. Big mistake. If that bag gets stolen, you lose everything. Split up your valuables, use hotel safes, and carry digital copies of important documents. 3. Never skip travel insurance. Lost luggage, trip cancellations, or a medical emergency could cost you thousands. Travel insurance might seem unnecessary until you need it. Don't take the risk. 2. Never overshare your travel plans on social media. You just posted a selfie at the airport with your flight details visible? Bad move. Hackers can use your booking reference to change or cancel your flights. Always blur out personal details and wait until after you've left to post your location. 1. Never lose awareness of your surroundings. This is the number one mistake that could put you in serious danger. Whether it's pickpockets, scams, or accidentally walking into a risky area, not paying attention makes you an easy target. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and always be aware of your surroundings. Now you know what not to do, so your trip will be safer, smoother, and stress-free. Which mistake surprised you the most? Drop your worst travel mistake in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks.